Tres.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mila.
Sí.
My name is Eugenio.
My name is JV.
Hello, I'm Margie.
My name is Raúl. I am recording.
And my name is Rocio Calenda, and I will be speaking about the coronavirus today. Do you know the origin of the coronavirus? Do you believe everything that the news are saying about it? According to CNN Health, the first scientist that decoded the coronavirus named Leo Poon, he thinks that the virus came from animals and that it was spread to animals, but he's not sure about this. According to also CNN Health, the virus causes pneumonia, and this type of pneumonia cannot be cured with antibiotic treatment. Chinese researchers have found the last strain of the coronavirus in bats, but they don't think that the coronavirus was actually spread from bats directly to humans because the strain found in the animals cannot latch to humans' cell receptors. So they think there's an animal that is the link between bats and humans, and they believe this animal to be the pangolin, which is an endangered species in China. But again, they don't know this for sure, which leads to another theory that the virus could be potentially man-made in a laboratory. According to InfoWars, new evidence about the coronavirus have been made about the possibility that the virus was actually man-made in a laboratory in China. This is an experiment that went wrong. They were injecting this virus into Chinese patients, and they got an outcome that they were not expecting. They have found a gene that is called P shuttle SN that was previously made in a laboratory a few years ago. So this type of gene was injected into viruses and bacteria. So is this actually an experiment that went wrong, or are we speaking about a new bioweapon? Well, we don't know that for sure. But we know that being vaccinated with this particular strain of the coronavirus causes people to be more likely to die from the common cold or just a common flu. Let's now talk about viruses in general, what there are and what they're not. According to Prevent Disease, most people, when they contract a common cold or a flu, they feel as if they are being attacked by an organism, when in reality, viruses are not alive. They're not even a one-cell organism. They're only a strand of DNA and RNA that are covered by a protein coat. For a virus to be alive, according to biologists, they have to do some type of functions, which are to reproduce, obtain, and use energy. They have to grow, develop, die, and they have to respond to their environment. But viruses cannot use their genetic material on their own. They can develop and reproduce when they use another host cell. Therefore, viruses are not alive. You can find a vaccine that will protect you from a strain of a virus, but that's about it. That's the best that we have for now in the scientific world. We can only protect ourselves from the virus itself and treat its symptoms. So to protect from a virus, reduce your risk of infection by avoiding people that are sick. Wash your hands with water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Avoid to touch your nose, eyes, and mouth. If you think that your cold is stronger than usual, go and see your doctor. Disinfect all the sources that you touch and everything that you think that might become contaminated. If you travel to China, avoid the places where the outbreak has taken place, especially markets where there are live animals. According to CNN Health, most of the time, symptoms will go away themselves. But experts stress that we don't know yet how deadly the virus will be. They think that it will be very deadly as the outbreak develops. In conclusion, is the novel coronavirus spread from animals to humans? Or is it actually man-made? How can we fight viruses if they are actually not alive? Protect yourself against viruses and seek medical attention if your symptoms become worse, just in case you have contracted the coronavirus. If you have to travel to Asia or any part in China, try to avoid places where the outbreak has taken place, especially live markets and with live animals. And use common sense whenever you watch and listen to the news. Try always to contrast your resources. Thank you.
Nombre,
Eugenio Vicente.
nombre, mamá.
I'm Mila.
JV.
Margie?
I'm Raul.
And Rocio again. Thank you.